I'm Marinette. Just a normal girl with a normal life. But there's something about me that no one knows yet. 'Cause I have a secret. I live a life that's full of fun. It keeps me sharp and on the run. When evil comes, I find a way to use my force and save the day. Life's got me spinning round. My feet are off the ground. And when the sun better hang around. It's Ladybug, jumping above. The power is on when things go wrong. It's Ladybug, the lucky charm. The magic is on, always so strong.
They look at me and think I'm cool. I'm Cat Noir, at night I rule. My ring is charged with energy. My claws are out, just watch and see. Oh no, you'll never know. My force will only grow. And when the moon is out,
Morning. What's up, Miraculous fans?
It's Ladybug,
Tonight we're gonna draw Psychomedian
power is on when things go
from Miraculous.
It's Ladybug,
Psychomedian is one of the
magic is on,
antagonists for Miraculous. This guy has the power to change people's emotions depending on by pressing his nose and changing his face. That's really it. That's a new thing. One thing about this guy, he was created by Season 4 antagonist Shadow Moth. But now But if you saw the final episode, he now has all the Miraculous in his possession.
No. I didn't. I wasn't. Why would I ever? In the daytime.
In this new form, now that Shadow Moth has all the Miraculous in his possession, well, even though he doesn't have the Peacock Miraculous anymore, what do you think his new name should be? Rainbow Moth? I have no idea. I never saw Miraculous that much since, well, I forgot about it after 2021. Hopefully we'll get to see Shadow Moth in his new form.
they look at me and think I'm cool. I'm Cat Noir, at night I rule. My ring is charged with energy. My claws are out, just watch and see. Oh no, you'll never know. My force will only grow. And when the moon is out, you better hang around.
It's Ladybug, jumping above.
If I search for entertainment, I'm gonna go to him.
It's Ladybug, the lucky charm.
I hope you enjoyed your episode, Psychomedian. Welcome to the crew. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Mission accomplished.